Welcome to Lightspeed's video support. I'm Matt, here to show you how to set up your Verifone V400m payment terminal, connect it to your network, and add it to your Lightspeed Restaurant O Series back office. It's important that you only use the terminal supplied to you by Lightspeed, because any terminal obtained from a third party won't be configured for your account and could be a security risk. If you need more detailed troubleshooting or setup instructions, visit the link in the description for the Lightspeed Payments article on our Help Center. Before we get started, make sure you have everything you need. In the box, you should find your V400m payment terminal, the terminal power cable, and a roll of receipt paper. By default, the V400m is configured for a Wi-Fi connection. To inquire about adding standalone mode on Wi-Fi or 4G to your account, please reach out to your account manager or one of our dedicated sales representatives. Let's start by inserting the paper roll into the terminal. At the top of the terminal, pull the latch to release the cover and open it downwards. Insert the paper roll with the edge of the paper on top of the roll, like this. Ensure the receipt paper is placed correctly into the compartment and pull out a length of the paper. Now close the compartment with the edge of the roll sticking out. Now we'll plug the terminal and power it on. First, plug the circular plug into the port on the left side of your terminal and plug the other end into a power outlet. The terminal must charge for a minimum of 4 hours the first time it's plugged in. If the terminal does not power on automatically when plugged in, hold the green circle button until the display turns on. Once on, your terminal will prompt you to board it. Boarding the terminal connects it to your back office. Tap Board Terminal on screen and it will prompt you to confirm your business information. Tap Confirm and your terminal will begin to run updates. This can take up to 20 minutes in some cases, and your terminal may restart several times. Once your terminal has completed the update process, you will have to connect your terminal to your network. Press 9 on the keypad, followed by the green circle button. You will then be prompted to input the admin code for your terminal. Lightspeed provided terminals use the admin code 5773. Type the code using the keypad, then press the green circle button to confirm. You will now see the terminal's settings. On the touchscreen, tap Network, Wi-Fi. Then tap the blue plus button on the bottom right of the screen. Select your network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the number pad or the digital keyboard on screen. If you use the number pad, repeatedly press the key for the letter you want to enter until the desired letter is displayed. Press the green circle button or the check mark on screen to confirm. After a moment, the Wi-Fi symbol in the top left of the screen will light up, indicating a connection. Now, press the red X button on the keypad to return to the home screen with the Lightspeed logo on it. To get started with enabling payments for Lightspeed O Series, sign into your back office. Then, go to Integrations. Under the Discover panel, look for Lightspeed Payments. On this page, click Enable. After that, the remaining steps are completed on your POS register. Once you're in the POS, the pairing process is easy. Select the menu button at the top of the screen. Then, go to Lightspeed Payments. The boarded terminals for your store will appear on this list. If any are missing or are not pairing properly, click the Refresh Terminal Info button at the bottom of the screen. Note that it can take up to 15 minutes from boarding a terminal for a device to appear in this list. If after 15 minutes you are still missing a terminal, contact our support team for assistance. Note that while more than one POS can pair to a payment terminal, only one payment terminal can be paired to a POS register. Select the correct terminal by comparing the serial number of the device with the one in the back office, and click the Pair button. After that, the POS will pair to the terminal and confirm that it was successful. If it was not, contact our support team. Once done, close the menu. Now let's perform a test transaction with the terminal. Add items to an order, and tap Checkout. Then, tap Lightspeed Payments. Finally, on screen, your terminal will prompt you to add a tip. Select an amount or tap No Tip. Then swipe, insert, or tap your card. A confirmation will appear on your terminal, and your POS will confirm that the payment is approved. This means your terminal is set up and ready to process payments. Then, you can return the test transaction and refund the amount to your card. Assuming there is no remaining balance owing on the sale will close. This part may change depending on your configuration, but by default, the POS will ask if you need to email or print your receipt. The customer copy of the transaction data will be on this receipt, and close the sale. If the payment doesn't process, first confirm that your terminal and iPad are connected to the same network. If both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and you're still having issues processing payments, you may have a DNS connection issue. On your iPad, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and then tap the information icon next to your connected network. Scroll down to Configure DNS. If your DNS is set to automatic, switch it to manual. Now we'll edit your DNS servers. You should see two fields. If you only see one field, tap the Add Server button. In the first field, enter 8.8.8.8. In the second field, enter 8.8.4.4. This will ensure a secure connection between your POS and payment terminal. When you're done, make sure to tap Save. You are now ready to process payments for your customers. If you have any questions, view the links in the video description or visit our O Series Help Center.